Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Finxter.com, and in today's video, I want to welcome our new Finxter Freelancer student, Selina. So welcome, Selina, to the Freelancer course. Great to have you on board. Appreciate you joining the course. I think you made a great decision. So in these welcome videos, I want to quickly give you some value add, some motivation. What is expecting you as a newly bred freelance developer? So freelance coding is on the rise comparatively speaking. So coding, of course, is like the demand for coders is just exploding nowadays. Now we have like new disruptive technologies like blockchain development that actually lead to a renaissance of coders. So like the coding industry, computer science industry is quite old already. It's a few decades old, and many people have actually argued that it's now not as big as an opportunity anymore. But this is just fad. It is. I should say FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt. So coding is still one of the best opportunities for the everyday man, like for the or woman, for the everyday employee. So if you are if you want to become an employee, of course, coding is still a great opportunity for you. But like relatively speaking, employees lose out against freelancers. So freelancing is on the rise, which means that as a percentage of the work that is delivered in today's world, freelancing increases and being employed actually decreases as a result, right? So we have like a bigger and bigger portion of the marketplace actually is within the freelancing industry. So if you are a freelance coder, you like all opportunities are open to you. And what I actually want to, like, one of the core messages I want to deliver in the freelancer course to a new freelancer student is that you already have value as you are, right? Like you already, your skills are already valuable, even if you are a complete beginner in coding. Even then you have some value. I don't know the exact value, like as a number or hourly rate, but you have like there is some value to your services, right? So you could do some work. For example, I don't know, browsing web pages or giving some feedback or testing web pages or so. That is like, that would pay very little, say $5 per hour, or even like annotating data. For example, Tesla has more than 1,000 people who are just annotating their training data so that the machine learning models can actually train their self-driving deep neural networks for full self-driving functionality. So Tesla pays people just to annotate some pictures, images, right? So everybody could do this, and this is just like, I think this mindset is important to understand. There's no point in waiting to actually offer your services on the freelancing marketplace. And if you are a new Finxter freelancer student, as you are, Selina, then the best strategy is actually to just contact me as a response to this video and ask for the invitation to Upwork, and I will give you the first gig for Finxter that you can just deliver and just go through this loop like the first time. The first gig for Finxter is very simple, but it will give you experience. It will give you the positive reinforcement and momentum as a freelance business owner. So it is a great start, and it will also help you to determine your initial hourly rate. Yeah, it may be $5, it might maybe $10, it may be $15 initially if you are an absolute beginner. It really depends. And in this, like, to prove this point, I want to show you 3 freelance coders that actually make different amounts of money per hour. And I think I found the main differentiating factor for those 3 freelancers. Okay, so let's start with the first one. This is Yaroslav K from the Ukraine, and he's a Python developer making $15 per hour, right? So he has 1+ year of experience. He doesn't have a lot of experience, and if you look at his earnings, like his earnings are relatively low. He has finished 19 jobs and 6 total hours, but he has a high job satisfaction score, and I think his profile is really focused. Like the profile is focused on web scraping, which means that he has found his niche, and he went out there to dominate his niche. And so I think this freelancer, it's a young freelancer. He just started out as you, Selina. But he just started with any hourly rate to get some experience. And the thing is, I mean, he has booked only 6 hours, so therefore, of course, he hasn't earned a lot. Actually, like for 6 total hours booked, I think 1K earnings is quite good already, right? But he actually seeks work for $15 per hour. So if he works, say, 8 hours per day, he would already earn a full-time income, right? So I always, like, my proxy is $100 per day is already a full-time income. And of course, you can like improve significantly on that. But yeah, so you see, like even with little experience, you have some value. You can start out as a freelance developer, and we will look later. So what is the difference between the freelancers we are checking out here? So the first freelancer earns $15 per hour. Now let's check out the second one, earning $40 per hour. What is different? I mean, he has earned more money. He has finished more jobs and built much more total hours, and his job satisfaction is even better. He's a top-rated freelancer. So delight your customers. It's one of the golden rules in freelancing and in business overall. And yeah, so you see, like his profile is I would say even less focused than the profile from Jaroslav. Jaroslav focused on web scraping and Python. He focused on Python and artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, data science, data scraping, Django, Flask, Bottle, jQuery, Backbone, HTML, NumPy, SkyPy, Scikit-learn, Keras, Pandas, Matplotlib. So this is actually less focused, but still, I mean, it's a solid $40 per hour, which is great. So if you work, say, 8 hours per day, you would earn 8 times 40, which is 320 bucks per day, which is also great, like for a freelance developer, right? And especially if you live in Argentina, because like living expenses are really low in Argentina, so he could probably live like a king from 300 bucks per day, right? So you see, like high job satisfaction score is critical, and yeah, then like with higher job satisfaction score and even more experience, usually your hourly rate just increases. Now let's have a look at the third freelancer. He's making close to 90 bucks per hour and lives in India. 100% job success score, and this is impressive because he has even built more, worked even more, built 4,400 hours and a total earnings of more than 100K. And you see his profile is also not very focused, like Python, Django, MySQL, Postgres, and so on. So I don't think those three freelancers like make an especially good profile, have created an especially good profile, or have actually focused themselves to one type of niche, and which is, like, I would say even Jaroslav has made the best focused profile. So what is the difference? Why is this guy making 15 bucks per hour and this one 90 bucks per hour? I'm pretty confident that the only difference is just the number of hours built, right? So it's just, I mean, this freelance has just started out, but he's on his way. He is delivering good value. He's focused. He's enthusiastic. Clients like him. So here's a client. Jaroslav was fast, efficient, and delivered exactly what was asked. Not afraid of a challenge and lots of skill to overcome them. Overall, great experience. Yeah. So you see, great experience. I would certainly use again for any web scraping. So you see, like, this is important, yeah. So you have clients. If you delight your customers, they will actually hire you again. And what does it mean, delight your customers? Be responsive, be positive, be upbeat, deliver the work at the deadline you told them you will deliver the work, and just give your best. Be interested in their problems, listen to them. Oftentimes it's enough to just listen to them and, yeah, like, be responsive, write back quickly, communicate well. I think that just being a pleasant human being, and you will get good ratings on Upwork. So and you see, like, this freelancer actually already starts building his client base of clients who will hire him again and again. And the only difference is time, right? So if you looked at like a drawing board. So let's open a draw board. So I think, okay, this doesn't even work. Drawing board. This should work. Okay. Let's remove this. And pencil. Okay, so I think the difference is just time. So we have here we have time, and here we have dollars earned, and now you have, like, this general function somehow looks like this, and then it maybe converges to a certain amount. And now if you look at the three freelancers, this is Jaroslav. He has just started out, so you have Jaroslav is somewhere here. Yeah, so we have Jaroslav here. Then we have Federico. He has built 3,000 total hours, so he has much more experience. So he is probably somewhere here, Federico. And then you have Kartik. from India. He has built even more, 4,400, earning even more as a result. So this one would be like Kartik. And you see, what is the secret to success? So like assuming all of them are positive and upbeat and push towards more experience and try to delight your customers. So this is like the assumption is that all of them would delight your customer. And as a result of delighting your customers, actually you create this function over time. And now it is just a matter of writing the function, right? Staying on it day in, day out, day in, day out. Just stay on this curve. Try to just deliver more value for client, get more hours built over time, get experience, and just like try to see every day as an independent day business, build on your successes from yesterday, your successes today, and just stay on this curve, and over time your hourly rate will increase automatically if you deliver enough value to your customers. Okay, so I think that's enough for today. Thanks, Selina, for joining the Freelancer course, and see you in the course. Bye.